Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Pali Paul with us from Purushottam Profiles. A very warm welcome to EQ, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, can you just let us know about Purushottam Profiles? As we know, Purushottam Profile is there in the solar industry from long time. So how it's the journey till now?
The journey is great. We have started in 2016, almost you can say 10 years back. And from 20 crores to 3,000 crore turnover company now we are. We have a remarkable growth where we have increased our capacity to 40,000 metric ton per month. We have also in trackers also. We are supplying tubes, tracker components, and we have done 56 gigawatt in 10 years. So this is the growth we have started from, and our key points is always quality, timeline delivery, and better price.
That's great. Like as you mentioned, quality. So how Purushottam Profile maintains the quality and standards?
We always believe that project, it's not only about the structure, it is the amount of a full you can say project cost. It is not only structure cost. So we value the project cost and we maintain the quality. If something's there, we are there as a support at the site also. It's not that this is our forte, we will not do beyond the things. It's not one project profit, it is entire relationship with the clients. So we are there for their supports and quality.
Right. So any projects that are in pipeline for 2026 if you want to share?
I will say we are already booked till March, so definitely pipelines is huge, and I cannot name the project because it's a long list, but we keep on going because becoming number one and leading company, it's one thing, and maintaining that dignity is another thing. So we maintain our quality and timeline dispatches, and future also we will sustain this requisition. That is more important.
That's true. And how do you see the demand, supply, and costing in solar, specifically in the solar industry?
Demand is huge. Definitely there is new competitors also, but to get work and profitability is not that easy. You have to give lot of hard work, and lot of raw material input is there. Procurement of raw material is a big thing, where Purushottam has their special SOPs. Even we have a stock of raw material as per the thickness and grades of standards used in solar. So we maintain that way. It's not that easy, but yes, we have to do it.
We wish all the luck and all the success to Purushottam Profile in coming years, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It's all because of the love and affection we are getting from the media also, EQ also, and all solar companies. That is the reason it makes a long relationship.
True, very true, ma'am. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you, ma'am.